Is it working? I don't know. Please show me. Ah, ah, aha, aha. I'm here. Hello, guys. This is, or
Is it
I can't
working?
see
I
how
don't
many
know.
people there are,
Please
but
show me.
grüß dich, Auto Tiger.
Ah,
um,
ah,
I'm going to.
aha,
Aha, I'm here. Okay. Um, Hello, welcome. Uh, this is my first ever experience streaming live, so it's kind of awkward, but I managed to install OBS Studio and launch this stream, even if it's 8 minutes late. So yeah, I think I'm going to show you how I prepared this giveaway. 1 second. Wow, transition. As you can see, I made a list with everybody who participated in the giveaway. I just blacked out the names because I don't know if anybody wants his name shown in the video. So yeah, we got 8 people who participated. Some of them gave their Instagram, some of them don't. So um, king of the streaming, I doubt it. Um, but yeah, we have viewers. That's cool. I thought I was going to sit here alone and lonely, but yeah, we have our numbers here. So I will just go to the wait, other screen, um, to the random number generator right here. I want to first I want to check if I can somehow um, like uh, I can only do this or that. But I haven't found a way how I can put myself like in the corner of the video. So yeah, you will see my screen. That's more important than me. So yeah, let's go right here. We have. Let's put this next to each other. So we have number 1 to 8. So we're going max 8. And yeah, I think just going to draw a number, I would say. It's not that complicated. I'm thinking about something that I could have forgotten, but yeah, I'm just going to click click generate. Okay, it's number 1. Number 1 it is. Let's do it. Congratulations to Swift the MX5 for winning the Shiftknob. Um, wow, that's so. Uh, yeah, Zufallszahlengenerator. Yes, German. But yeah, congrats, Benedict, for winning the Shiftknob. I will contact you on Instagram on how we're gonna do this and how I'm gonna send you the Shiftknob. And it's cool that you have your Instagram name because then I can or you can show that you received the Shiftknob and everyone knows that this giveaway was legit. Because as I've said in the video already, it's yeah, I've seen so many weird giveaways where wait, I can switch back. Weird giveaways where you participated, but no one ever like won anything, or you didn't know if anything, if anyone won anything. So yeah, it's yeah, I wanted to make it as legit as possible, and yeah, Nice. Wait, let me do it in stream. So we're going full legit mode right here. Full legit mode. Instagram. Instagram. All right. Let's switch back and search for Swift. Ba, 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 ba. And say congrats. You won a shift knob, boy. Okay. Um, uh, I am going to write that in German because I know that he's German. So, ähm, schick gern deine Adresse rüber, damit ich dir den Knauf schicken kann. Doppelpunkt D. I just wrote that he should give me his address, so I can send him the knob. So yeah, very cool. Thanks for watching. I don't know, is there still anyone in here? Um, oh wait, that's uh, uh, I just now saw that somebody wrote something in the chat, which I didn't read. Um, whoa, that's trippy. Um, because my somehow my OBS studio, yeah, didn't yeah do the chat properly. So I will go through what's written in the chat right here. So chat. Um, Oh no, an MX5 or Arch Nemesis. Yes. So uh, it's an MX5 driver, but I said anybody who wanted to participate can participate. So I'm fine with that. He will have to get a thread adapter, I think. But yeah, uh, that's everything is right with the rules. So and then, wait, I can put my Instagram in the chat. P18 Osaka MR2. That's my Instagram name. And how did you install the remote frunk opening? Um, it's, if you want, I can continue talking about that in stream if you want. It's not that difficult actually. I made a video about it. Um, right here somewhere. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I showed it in this video a little bit. Um, wait, I can try to find the, yeah, right here you can see it pretty good. This is like the 3D printed piece, and then there's just this actuator mounted to it, and the 3D printed piece, if you want, I can open CATIA and show you. Um, the 3D printed piece, it was not that complicated. There is here is a factory bolt hole from the mechanism, from the lock mechanism. I used this bolt, just put the longer bolt in. The standard one looks like that. And then back here there was just a random hole without anything in it, like this one back here. Um, but I then just ran a bolt with a nut on the back through it, I think. Um, and then I just measured and built this plastic part so it clears this this little tab which holds, I think, the front bumper in. Um, and then I just ran the cables down here, directly connected the ground wire to this bolt, and connected this little spring to here it was perfect length. I had that laying around, and if you want, I can show you the piece that I designed. Um, 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 um. Oh, I have to check. Halter. It should be this one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Um, you can see it's just a pretty simple part. It has these two holes in the back for just the screws for the actuator itself for these two. They are just some normal uh, wood screws that go in this plastic part. With this was a normal China standard actuator, um, and that these bolts don't stick out. I put these, uh, yeah, made them a little bit deeper right here, and then I just made this little bend in here so it clears this tab. And then, as you can see, also this plane is not, yeah, has a wait. I can show you. It's like, that doesn't work. Perfect. Yeah, okay. I can't show you like that, but these aren't on the same level. Like this is a bit further out than this plane, so I just made it fit, and then I supported it with this little thing and with that, and then I just printed it. I think I used ABS because I printed it in PLA first, but then this kind of bent a little bit because PLA isn't made for the temperatures that normally yeah occur uh, under the yeah, front bumper. So I reprinted it out of ABS, and I also made the walls as thick as possible because the thicker walls make this as rigid as possible. So I just read in the chat, no, it's ABS now because PLA is not really. I started with PLA, but PLA is not meant for automotive parts because of the temperature. So I only use ABS, or I use ABS Plus. It's supposed to be a little bit better than standard ABS, but everything I print now for the car is made of ABS or PETG, but my PETG settings for the printer aren't that perfect, so I yeah went with ABS instead. And um, live chat. I'm just trying to make the chat work right here. Just give me a second. Ah, okay. Um, so it's ABS, yeah, and then I printed it as sturdy as possible. You could print it with 100% infill, but that is would take years. So I put in a decent infill, so it's sturdy enough. Made the walls a little bit thicker, and yeah, it works fine now for a very long time. And then did you connect the spring to the mechanism itself or the cable? Yeah, I connected it to the mechanism itself. I don't know if I showed it. Yeah, right here you can maybe see it. Down here is like a little hook in there where the cable, which you can see right here, the cable goes down there, and that's where the cable connects to. And to the same piece, I connected this little spring. It's like um, uh, I'm stupid. I wanted to show this, but first the spring is like how can I like this. So the spring is bent like in a Z form, and now I can show you. To this little this little hook is what I meant, or this little piece is where the cable connects to on the standard mechanism. You can see the cable back here, and that's where I also connected the spring to, and you can see that for the actuator doesn't get like a side movement or force on it. I bent the spring so when this pulls, this can pull linear and not to the side somehow though. So I bent this spring in a Z form, so it works pretty good. The spring is so hard, it's nearly solid. So you could also connect a string or yeah, a thin piece of metal or something. This spring was it's so hard it won't do anything springy. So yeah, that's why I but it's just what I had laying around, so I used it. There are maybe other possibilities to do it, but yeah, so much about that. I have some ABS and PTG laying around, so I could just try both. Yeah, of course. I think PTG has a slightly lower heat resistance, but is not as oh, how is the English? What's the English word? Wait, we have technology right here. Let's use it. Uh, German. Uh, yeah, it's not as brittle. I think that must be the word. ABS is not as flexible as PTG, so PTG is good for parts that can break. So yeah, you could also use PTG, but ABS has a slightly higher resistance to heat, so I'm using ABS for nearly everything now because the price is also nearly the same for everything. I can show you. Ah, that's perfect. If you're Dutch, you can also understand me talking German. Um, but I think I'm using uh, ABS Plus. I think Sunlu. Yeah, I'm using this. This is what I'm using. eSun ABS Plus. It's supposed to be ABS filament with slightly better mechanical stuff. So I don't know if they have the spec sheet. Yeah, we can look at the spec sheet if we want. Um, hmm, Heat distortion temperature is 73 degrees. So um, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I use it. I printed on the Enders 3 with I think 95 degrees build plate temperature and 255 degree extruder temperature, and that yeah seems to work quite fine. So um, yeah, very good, very good. Um, I don't know if there's anything else to say. If you have any questions, you can ask me if you want. Um, And if not, I think I'm going to end the stream right here because there's no use in stretching this out too long. But yeah, if you want, you can ask stuff. I don't know if there's still somebody here. Uh, 3 viewers, including my second account, so 2 viewers are still nice. Um, I've also tried printing in navput for my MR2. Yeah, I have also have the files for it. Somebody sent me those, or you could also find these are also on Thingiverse. Um, but I haven't tried printing it. Wait, we can check if I still have the files. I still haven't printed it, but I'm thinking about like putting a um, how do you call it? Like a screen in the middle, like you could put a radio in it, but I'm going to put a screen in which is connected to the Raspberry Pi, and then I'm going to put some sensors and stuff on the Raspberry, which I can then display on that display in the middle. Um, and yeah, so um, that's what I still want to do. So um, yeah, my Ender 3 V2 is too small. Yeah, I also print with this small build volume of the Ender 3. It's in the other room, so I can't show you now. But if you want to print bigger parts, I can show you how I did this with. Wait, let me change the screen. Um, yeah, with the side vents. Side vents. New. No, that's wrong. I don't know if this one. No. Maybe this one. Nope. Okay, seems like my files don't work, but we can try to find them in Cura. Um, if you want to print bigger parts, you can divide them in different pieces, like side vent. Yeah, I have the two parts right here. Um, I hope this works. So I can show, yeah, perfect. Um, as you can see, I printed this side vent in two pieces, which you can then like put put together right here with these little uh, pieces. And this is possible to print on the MRS, and then you can also print bigger parts. So you could buy a bigger printer or just make it work. If you are like treating the surface anyways, like I wrapped this in fiberglass, so it didn't matter if there was a seam in here or not because I sanded and painted it anyway, so this works quite good. And yeah, and then Auto Tiger, is the hood latch in the glove box still working with your setup, or is the spring too strong? No, uh, these this thing in the glove box is still working as normal, because as you can see, the spring just pulls back. If you pull on the original um, latch, this just functions as it wasn't there. So um, yeah, it just functions as normal. It's just is this is just additional. So um, yeah, very nice. Um, and then yeah, I tried placing a Samsung tablet with wireless charging in the car launch app. Yeah, that's also pretty cool. Um, I've also thought about putting a tablet in it in the nav pod, but yeah, I thought I still already have the um, Raspberry Pi in the car, so it would be cool to use it. And yeah, it's a shame how much of a hassle it is to get the safe-made parts legal in Germany. Yeah, that's so true. Um, I've uh, it is possible, I think, but it's expensive and way too much work. And then for if I like, for example, if I print these or build these side vents that I had on my car. I just had them on my car for a few days to test them, but if I wanted to put them on and really get them legalized, um, I think I'm not sure about that, but I think the process would be that I print them, build them, and then build a um, yeah, like a test piece out of the same material. So I would have to print a test piece, then cover it in fiberglass or whatever I do. So and then give this to a lab and they test the material, and if I'm lucky the material is good and I can yeah get it legalized on my car. But if the material doesn't stand the test, I can't put it on. So yeah, it's kind of annoying what you have, what how limited sometimes the possibilities are in Germany if you don't want yeah to do all that hustle to get your parts legalized. But I think with the vents, so many people are running the vents, and I think if you do a good job, nobody will be able to tell that these vents aren't factory. So yeah, that's what I recommend. Um, because I'm still planning on putting vents on, or as you saw um, in my files, maybe I also working on a second version of the vents, a better version, because the first one did fit, but not as perfect as I wanted it to be. So yeah, yeah. Um, yeah, the possibilities with the 3D printer are really, um, it's really so cool in invention or possibility that you have with the 3D printer of parts you can build. Like also, for example, I have this on my um, here. This is a just a sample. But wait a second. Basically a Materialgutachten. Yes. Um, right. Yeah, with these, what Autotiger means with the Materialgutachten, it's like a certificate for the material, that the material won't do anything harmful when it gets destroyed in an accident or something. Um, but yeah, that's the only possibility to get parts legalized which don't have like a general yeah certificate that they were legalized for this certain car. So um, but yeah, enough of the sad of this sad topic. This is an example for the engine mounts insert that I make out of polyurethane, and it's so cool that um, these parts, which you normally have like to, um, I think only uh, companies in America sell these, or maybe in other countries too, but I think there are none in Europe. And you would have to buy these parts uh, from overseas, and now I can make them myself for my car, and I also can sell them to other people here in Europe who don't want to um, order from overseas. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Really a cool thing having so many possibilities with this 3D printer. So yeah, let me put it away. Uh, ah, but I have to say, streaming is actually kind of fun. You just sit here, do your stuff, talk with people, and I just have to check the chat. But I think my um, yeah my OBS chat now seems to work. Just before I just had it strange format, so it always cut off the lowest messages. So yeah, it's pretty fun. I think streaming is a cool thing. I get why there are so many streamers and everything. It's it's a fun job, I would say. But yeah, maybe if if this is fun also to watch. I don't know if it's fun to watch. It's definitely fun for me to do. So um, I already thought about doing streams with yeah, don't be confused. I don't know if you heard these disconnect sounds. I don't know if it's my headset or something else, but something on my PC has connection USB connection problems, so it sometimes connects and disconnects. So yeah, I thought about streaming like racing games with my I have my normally my setup with my wheel right here and the screen right there. Um, so I could do streams with um, like Forza Horizon was the last racing game I played, and I really want to get into Assetto Corsa with some MR2 mods or something. That would be pretty fun. But I haven't had the time to check on how really to do it really. But yeah, fooled you, Auto Tiger. And hey, if you want to get into streaming too, we could do streams together. Maybe we can maybe we can get the 5 viewers then. No, but it would be really fun, I think. If you want, we can talk about that if you are down to stream as a MR2 stream gang. Um, don't know what we could do. We could uh, stream racing games or talk about MRS stuff or something like that would be a possibility. Yeah, but I think that will be the end for the stream. I'm going to uh, um, I have an AC server and stuff. Ah, I said the Corsa server. Yeah, that's cool. Um, that would be cool. If you could give me the address. Um, and yeah, I think I'm going to leave the stream live for a little bit, so because this isn't real time, so maybe there's coming a message in that I can answer. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for participating in the giveaway to all you 8 people. Wait, wait. Wow. To Benedict, Sipos, Pierre, Louis, Philippe, Dominique, Free Ease, and Konstantinos. Um, Thank you to all you 8 people for participating. It was very cool. I thought about doing the giveaway and then yeah, didn't know if anyone would really participate. So, yeah, I'm happy that somebody watched the giveaway and somebody participated. So, um, I'm going to mark that and put this like that. Perfect. And yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. have, a have a nice day. Yep, have a nice day. And I think I'm going to upload this so other people can watch it too, if they couldn't watch it now. So yeah, thanks for watching. And wow, that's the possibilities, guys. Woo. Okay. Uh, Bye.